Look at the bracelet. It has two sections. Now see it come alive.
I see some black and white strips now.
What are these numbers?
Count of black and white stripes.
And why these brackets?
Oh, the counts are stored in a list. Remember, we put values inside square brackets in a list.
Yep, I know. A list can hold many values. So, we have two lists here?
Nope, 3.
You see those brackets around the two lists?
Yeah.
Well, that is also a list.
What does it hold?
Huh? Whatever lies inside the bracket.
Putting lists inside another list?
I guess that's what I meant.
So, what do we call it?
Nested list.
Just like nested loops? But why do we need a nested list here?
Tell me, what if the bracelet has just one section?
We simply put the count of black and white stripes in a list.
Yes, but we have 2 sections in the bracelet here.
And each of them have black and white stripes.
Yeah, we have 4 values. Why don't we put them in a single list?
No, if you put them together, how will you separate the count for each section?